All right, last time we talked about mode, which was the middle number. This time we're going to talk about the median, which is the middle number. Be very careful. Average is kind of like the normal number. Okay, it's not necessarily the middle. It's kind of like if you took everything and spread it evenly, how much would there be? Median means if you listed them all from smallest to biggest, what would be in the middle? And then mode, like we talked about last time, means most common. So as we said before, by looking at all three of these, you can get information about hundreds of numbers and try and make a good guess about what the numbers are telling you. So let's look at an example. Like we said last time, we asked kids, how many tests should we have in the school year? These were the results. If we just look at the average of 4.8 or about 5, these people aren't happy, these people aren't happy. By ignoring the information and just looking at the average, you can actually be missing a lot. So we can find the median, which is the middle number. So if I ordered these numbers from smallest to biggest, which I did, the middle number is right here, it's 1. So if I said my average was 5, but my middle number was 1, that's going to make me think, whoa, wait, maybe this average isn't very good because the middle number is 1, which is really far away from the average of 5. So there must be something weird going on with the results to make those so different. The rule of thumb is that if your median and average are very far apart, usually it means that your data is a little bit weird and it is worth looking more closely at. So in order to find, not the mode, and to find the median, it's very similar. We need to order the numbers, just like we did with mode. So I already took these numbers from last time and wrote them in order. So I went through and crossed them all out and got them all written out. Now, to find the middle number, I think the easiest thing to do is cross. So I cross out the bottom number and the top number. Then the bottom and the top, and I'm left with either 1 or 2 numbers. So in this case, I had 2 numbers left over. So what you need to do if you have 2 numbers is find the average of those. So average is going to be 79 plus 84 divided by 2. It's going to give you 82.5. Yeah, okay? So that would be the median. If we had a situation where when we found the middle numbers, so let's say, for example, here, 8, 12, and 15, okay? The middle number here would be 12. The median would just be 12. Using the stem and leaf plot, it works the same way. So I took all of these numbers, which is a lot, and organized them. I'm going to cross out the smallest and the biggest and alternate. So the smallest number, biggest. Smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest. Small, big, small, big, small, big. And again, I was left with 2. So 11 plus 16 over 2 gives me 13.5. Yeah, cool. So that would be the median. One last example, like we just said, we're going to cross these out. We're left with 2. We need to find the average if 2 medians. Cool. So it would be 5 plus 8 divided by 2 gives you 6.5. So that was pretty basic. A quick run through. Take all the numbers, write them in order, find the middle one. That's the median. The median can help you understand the numbers of what's in the middle at least, so you can make a good projection of what you should do with that information.